Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon elf. So to start off with our elf, we're going to begin with the face. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little circle like this, and then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle right here. Then I'm going to add two big circles inside of here and do the same thing here. And then I'm just going to color in the inside. Now, right in between the eyes, I want to give him a mouth. So I'm just going to start right here and just draw a big smiley face for the mouth. And then I'm going to draw another line that just goes down and up to make it look like his mouth is all the way open. Then I'm going to add a little curved line for the tongue. Now, right in between here, I'm going to make a little tiny curved line like this for the nose. Then right above the eyes, I'm going to draw two little lines like this for some eyebrows. Now, right above the head, I'm going to make a little curved line for the top of the hat. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down. And then it's just going to come back up like this for the face. Now, elves have those famous little ears. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes out, and then it's going to curve back down to here. And then same thing here, draw the line that goes out, and then it's just going to curve back down so they have those pointy ears. Then I'm going to make a little curved line, and then I'm going to bring it up like this for the inside. So a little curved line, and then bring it up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up, and then a little line that goes up here. And then instead of connecting this with a straight line, I'm going to make it a zigzag line. So I'm just going to make a little zigzag line that goes all the way across to this side. Kind of looks like he has a crown on. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves like this. And then I'm going to start here and make another one that does the same thing, and I'm going to make it really small and close together as I get towards the end. And then on the end, I'm going to put a nice big circle so it looks like a bell. And then I'm going to draw two lines at the bottom here. And then a little line across to help it give it that kind of like bell look to it. Now for the body. So starting right here, I'm going to draw two lines that go out. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the hat, and that's just connect them with a little zigzag line. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then another little line down here. Then I'm just going to connect them like this. Then I'm going to draw two more little lines down, and then I'm just going to connect them like this for a little belt. Then I'm going to draw two more lines going down, and then just connect them for the bottom of the shirt. Next, you want to draw a line that goes down, and then it jumps over the belt, comes down here. And I'm just going to put a couple buttons on here. Now, for the legs, I'm going to draw two little lines that are kind of going out like this, and they're going to connect, get real skinny towards the end. And then same thing here, two lines like this, they get really skinny towards the end. Then I'm going to draw a big curved line around the end of each one. And then we want to make those pointy elf shoes. So starting here, just draw a line that just kind of curves like this. Same thing over here. And then I'm just going to curve them back here and then connect up here for the foot. So just kind of curve them back and then connect them right here. And then you can always put like a little circle on the end to make it look like they've got bells on them. Now for the arms. So I'm actually going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, down, and then it's just going to come right back towards the body. Then same thing here, just draw a line up, go down, and then bring it back towards the body. Then right here, I'm just going to add two little lines on the ends. And I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down for a thumb, and then a curved line like this for the rest of the hand. Make it look like he's wearing some mittens. Now in this one, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves like this for a thumb. And then I'm going to make a curved line like this, and then I'm going to connect it, kind of like a little oval shape. And then I'm doing this because I want him to hold a candy cane. So starting right here by the thumb, just draw a line that goes down, goes over and up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, comes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve back like this. Then on the candy cane, I'm just going to add some little curved lines. And then the final thing is I want to add some details. So right here on the hat, I'm going to make some curved lines going across, just for some details on the hat. And then I'm going to draw some little curved lines on the legs here. Then the final thing I want to do is I'm going to draw a little curved couple lines right here for some hair on our elf. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas elf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.